What's up guys, Soy Toast here and welcome to my $450 gaming computer for the month of August 2016. Let's get into it. Keep in mind guys, this PC will not have an operating system that will be included in the price because you guys can find operating systems for all different prices and all different types of operating systems, but it's all really up to the user. Stay tuned though for a video on how to get systems like Windows for a lot cheaper than the regular price. But without further ado, let's get into the build. Starting things off with the CPU, we have the brand new AMD Athlon X4 880K. This is a quad-core processor clocked at 4 GHz, and the 4 cores will help out both with gaming and to do some light editing. The base clock speed is very high, and overclocking will really work out well for this build. Not really much more to say about this other than it's a really new part coming from AMD, so it should have some really good performance, and it's meant to be the successor of the AMD Athlon X4 860K. Since it's so new, it doesn't really have any ratings at all yet on PC Part Picker. Supporting both our CPU and other parts we choose to put in later in the build. For the motherboard, we have the MSI A68HM-E33 version 2. So this is a micro ATX FM2 Plus socket motherboard which supports up to 32 GB of RAM, so it will be able to support the RAM that we put into the build right now and anything you guys want to put in later to upgrade. It also has one PCIe slot that will be supporting our graphics card. Nothing much more to say about this other than it has plenty of ports for both USB and display on board with the motherboard, and its 4-star rating. Our next part will be the Kingston HyperX Fury White 8GB RAM. So this is one stick of 8GB DDR3 1866 MHz memory. This has started to become a really standard in all my builds, especially the lower end ones, because it just works well. There's room to upgrade to 16 GB later on, and yeah, it's just really reliable and super highly rated with a 5-star rating. Next up for our storage, we have the Western Digital Caviar Blue 1TB hard drive. So this is a 3.5-inch 7200 RPM internal hard drive, and really not much more to say about it guys. Hard drives are starting to get really boring unless it's an SSD. This is about as fast as you can get for an SSD. It's got 4.7 average rating, and it will get done what it needs to get done. Now for the most expensive part of our build, we have the EVGA GeForce GTX 960 Super Collect Edition. So this is a 2 GB graphics card with GDDR5 memory and a 1.28 MHz core clock. So this thing is an absolute beast for the price we're paying for it, with its dual fan system to keep everything cool, and its 4.7 average rating. The power supply powering the system is the EVGA 500 watt. So this is 80 plus certified ATX power supply, and nothing really much more to say about it other than it's a low price and it's going to get the job done, and it also has a 4.5 average rating. Lastly, the case that's going to be holding all these parts is the Corsair Specca 1 Red. So this is an ATX mid-tower case, and it's pretty budget, I would say, and it looks really nice and pretty clean, with cool red LEDs in it. Yeah, it's got a 4.2 rating. It's going to hold all the parts we need and anything we choose to upgrade in the future, and it overall looks really nice for a budget case. Alright guys, now that we've gone over all the parts in the build, let's see how this PC performs playing some games.
You got too close, yeah.
I would like to thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Leave a like down below. My goal will be 20 likes. Please help me get that. But yeah, guys, like always, there will be the links to the build down below and a PC part picker. And my name is Toy Toast, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. You can